1940, we attended a student conference in Washington, D.C. We were there to both listen as well as to protest to President Franklin Roosevelt about the war in Europe. At that time, we were inclined to be pacifists, and it took some understanding of what the war was actually about that changed our minds. But at the time, that was the purpose of a student conference. The students were being organized at that time to the American Student Union. And although Murray and I had not met in Washington itself, we had been part of the same group that was attending the conference. And so going home, it just happened that we turned out to be in the same car, the same automobile, belonged to a friend. And on a dark road in Pennsylvania, on the way home from Washington to New York, we were blindsided by another car. And I still remember the feeling, because I was sitting on his lap, and I saw what was happening, of not knowing what was going to happen to us. Had it been today, and the speed that cars are using today, we would not have survived. But at that time, even though the car turned over, we were able to climb out of the car, and it was Murray's ability to organize our rescue, really, by flagging down a Greyhound bus that immediately put him in my horizon as a person who was worth knowing and trusting. And we became friends, and that was the beginning of our life together, which has now we've been married now for 72 years.